May mga tao tayo, may mga case of health emergency, mga personal emergency, minsan, kailangan ng leader, Kuya Mark. Pakibasa, Kuya Mark.
Okay. So, leadership.
Ako na rin. Kuya Angel, ano po ang pabasa po ng yung text po natin?
Opo, people look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart.
Sorry nito. Thank you, Kuya Angel. Balikan natin yung story. When King Saul was rejected by God, because si King Saul, ganun yung pagkakadescribe sa kanya ng Panginoon sa kanya when King Saul was appearance. Pero ito ngayon, when the Lord rejected Saul as king because of the disobedience, sa 1